Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy that you stopped by. Well, today I'd like to talk to you about the fundamentals of makeup and why it's important to have the right tools. Because we're going to learn in more videos to come how to look from okay to sensational or super sensational for that matter. Day makeup, evening makeup, special occasion makeup, or just hanging out or going for a hike makeup. But to do all that, you need to know your right tools and you need to have you have to have the right brushes. So the right brushes, I want to make sure that this thing is taping. So I'm going to talk about the different brushes. Oops, I dropped some. These are your tools. Powder. Contouring. It's flat. Lash. Angle. Creating. Foundation. Make sure you wash it every day. The rest of them you can wash once a week with shampoo and let them air dry. It's very important because they collect a lot of pigment and you mix the colors. The other thing that you need to understand with brush is that, you know, the cleaner you keep them, the better the application, of course, okay? So you may want to wash them if you wear makeup a lot, maybe twice a week. When I was back in the days that I used to model. That's me back there. Yeah, there you go. I've learned a couple tips from international makeup artists while I was doing all that. A lot of times we had to do our own makeup, but many times we had makeup artists creating on our canvas, as they call it. But in order to create, we need to have the right brushes. So we covered the blush brush, contouring brush, angle blush, foundation brush, lash. Now we're going to go into the eyes. I like to keep the brushes separate. I like to keep different colors, like the lighter for light colors. So I keep one for my, I guess you can call it the eye primer, when you put your lighter base all over the eyelid. And I like to use it also to blend colors together. So that's a white brush for your eyes. Then I have another one for filling in. You can do the contouring with that. We have this small angle brush, which I use for eyeliner smudging, creating, you know, angles and filling in. I use them for filling in eyebrows, contouring the eyebrows, under the eye, above the eye. That's the angle brush for the eyes. This is a good tool here. This one here, you can see it's angle. And that's for large areas. So like if you want to extend the outer eye or do the contouring and filling the brow bone, that's a great brush. When you dip it and you take lots of your contouring. I have a smaller contouring brush for the eyes as well, which is kind of rounded. That's for smaller areas. And we have this nice flat angle, which is precision. So when I'm creating like under the eye or above the eye and I want the angle and extend the inner corner and create like a cat eye, I use this brush, this angle brush, which is amazing. So keeping them separate from the dark colors to the lighter colors, it will enable you to have a wonderful blending result. Cleansing them is very important, air drying them. So what I do is I put a cup, put water, and I dip them in there, and I just swish them around. Then I rinse them, and I rinse them a couple of times, and I squeeze, I take my fingers, and I squeeze like that, the excess water, and then I put them on a towel to dry, air dry. But that's what I do. I put them in water and shampoo, and they're always, because if they're good hair, treat it like your own hair. And we have tons of shampoos laying around because we're always buying new products for our hair. So one that you don't want to use it on your brushes. I dropped a couple, so I have to pick them up. I got this brush, which is also kind of an angle to fill in and create, and more of a flat, full brush to fill in and blend. So there you have it. Come back, hit the red button, because in the next video we're going to cover the fundamentals and the principles of contouring and highlighting, the importance of it. Once you know that, then you'll understand shapes of faces and why and where you need to contour and where you need to highlight, because I will take you into corrective makeup. So we're going to learn a whole lot of wonderful things, how to transform yourself and how to be beautiful and feel confidence within yourself with what you look in the mirror and say, I'm going to play today, I'm going to change my look and be more versatile. So I'm going to work with this palette, and I'm going to try and change my eyes and elongate them and make them look like cat, or I'm going to do just a simple eyeliner. I mean, there's so many different looks. We're going to cover all different shapes of eyes and what's the best way to contour them, what's the best way to highlight. Many, many, many wonderful tips. So don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends and family, come back more often. If you hit that red button, you will be getting my notifications of the new uploads on a weekly basis, so you can stop by and watch. Thank you for stopping into my channel. Namaste. I love you. Thank you for your support. Until the next time, be safe, be happy, laugh a lot, and be thankful and grateful that we are here alive today. 2018 approaching 2019, which is going to be an amazing year. Namaste. Until the next time, love you.